Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Oh my gosh, I've been missing you guys. Like, I've literally been MIA, but I'm back with a new video. And in case anyone's new here, hello, welcome. I'm Kaiser, what's your name? But yeah, so in today's video I'm showing you guys how I cover up my blemishes and scars. Yeah guys, in case you watch my videos, you guys may be like, blemishes, scars, you don't have any. I do now, and it's been making me so sad. Like, literally I've been stressed. Like, it's making me more stressed, and I feel like because I'm more stressed, they're getting worse. I don't even know what's going on with my skin, honestly, but I've got an appointment with a dermatologist in a couple of days, so we're gonna find out. But yeah, so in today's video I was like, you know what, I might as well just record a video showing you guys how I cover up my blemishes and scars, because other people may be going through it as well and want to know how to do it. And I also think this video is work and school friendly, because you know it's back to school season as well. And yeah, so if you want to know how I do that, continue watching. Alright, so as you guys can see, my face is going through the most face and contour, and I'm going to be using the It's My Ray Ray palette that she made with BH Cosmetics. If you guys know me already, you know I love this palette. I'm going to be using the shade Brownie Bite, which is the darkest shade. And guys, let me just tell you for a fact, this is very pigmented, so just make sure you're dabbing the excess off in like the back of your hand or whatever, because it can get real crazy real quick. wrap. This is what your girl's looking like. Let me know what you guys think of this look in the comment section down below. Alright, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Guys, when I tell you it's been like so hard for me to record recently and my face has not been making it any easier. Like, I've been feeling so sad because I just don't know what's happening to my face. Like, oh, it's just stressing me out. But today, like, I finally got up, recorded, and I feel so good. So I don't know, I hope you guys enjoyed this video because like I really enjoyed making it for you guys. Like, literally, this has been a fun day for me. So yeah, if you did give this video a big thumbs up, comment down below. And you know, if you're new here or if you just watch my videos without subscribing, today may be the day you may change your mind and actually subscribe, hit the notification button so you're always alerted when I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.